Looking at a 2011 Chevy Express Sherrod high top conversion van. Drop dead gorgeous. White, 95,000 original miles. Beautiful. Clean Carfax. Rust free. Laser straight. No accidents. No smoking. Fully loaded. White with gorgeous brown leather interior. Blue LEDs inside. Smart TV. Rear power folding bed, backup camera, all your technology functions. Beautiful van. Tow package, Yokohama tires, chrome wheels. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. If you have any questions, you can text us 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. 2011 Chevy Express Sherrod high top conversion van. It's got LED lights in the ceiling. Awesome. Laser straight down the sides. Little mark on the running board there. Overall, this van is, I would say, a 9 out of 10. The only reason I would take a point off is because of the age. Good mileage. Beautiful condition all the way around. Yokohama tires in excellent shape. Needs nothing at all. Beautiful. This interior is special. Embroidered seats. Look at those blue LEDs. Rear power folding bed. Gorgeous black carpet. Huge flat screen TV. Big storage compartments. All the original manuals. You got your window shades. Everything. The seats and carpet are real nice condition. 95,345 miles. Got all your technology. Got your head unit here, backup camera, all your stuff. Everything works the way it's supposed to. OnStar, dual air controls, dual side entry doors, Bluetooth. I mean, you got it all. It drives perfectly too. Very little signs of normal wear and tear for the year and mileage. Almost nothing at all. I mean, look inside. It's really sharp inside this van. TV is a smart TV. You got all your smart functions. Screen mirror, you can plug in your phone directly to it, whatever you want to do. Awesome. Awesome setup. Dual side entry doors, like I said, gorgeous blue LED lighting. You got your storage compartments everywhere. Gorgeous wood grain, dual air heat. Full size bed in the back. Show you how that works. Backup camera, all your window shades, and this thing is sweet. Really luxurious inside. Premium sound system. And look at this thing, it's beautiful. That's how the bed works. Got your switch here. There's two switches. You got a switch here. It slides back and forth and front and back. So, plenty of room in here. Cargo room. You can sleep in here if you want to camp, take the family on a trip, use it for tailgating, use it for whatever you want to use it for. You got beautiful cup holders right here in the door panels. Give us a call at 954-561-2499, or you can text us to that number. Gorgeous. Look at that. Embroidered seating. Those seat belts come out if you want to use the bed and lay down. Give us a call or send us a text. 954-561-2499. 2011 Chevy Express high top conversion van. Sherrod leather. We accept trades. Any type of trade-ins we take. Cars, trucks, boats, motorcycles, anything. Classics. Anything you got, we'll take it in trade. We can ship anywhere in the world. Give us a call, 954-561-2499, or visit us at suprememotorsusa.com.